Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. For your general energies, guys, we have Devil in reverse, World in reverse, and Two of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Sagittarius, for some of you guys, you are maybe you have some confusion, something is not clear for you, maybe when you're making some choices or when you need to make some choices in your work situation or something about your personal life, something is not clear, something is blocking your knowledge or your understanding, and your vision or your clarity is limited, so you feel stuck, unable to make the right choice, or you are having some confusions, guys. And also I see that for some of you Sagittarius, you are having some illness, or someone in your situation, maybe this person you love or a person from your family, someone is sick and you're worried about that, guys. And I also feel that you lack confidence and determination today. Something has come, it's worrying you a lot, stressing you a lot today, guys. And you feel stuck, unable to move in the right way today, guys. And for some of you, Sagittarius, in your in your stress or the sadness, there's something to be happy about. There is some kind of a surprise waiting for you today, guys. So it may be this person coming towards you. Maybe they are your friend. You'd have lost contact with them for a long time. They are coming to visit you all of a sudden. Or it may be this person you love, you were in a long distance relationship, and today they are coming back suddenly to surprise you, and you are simply happy, you feel wonderful today, guys. And Sagittarius, so it may be a surprise in your relationship, or it may be a wonderful surprise in your career situation, guys. So let's see what it is. We'll see what are the cards specific to your relationship and your career situation, guys. So we have Two of Cups in reverse for your relationship, guys. So in this connection, you are moving positively, your relationship is gaining momentum, you have a beautiful understanding, and you are moving towards engagement or marriage, guys. You want this person, you love them, and you want a deep commitment with this person. So though this card is in reverse, guys, it is a very positive card. So you are progressing towards a beautiful, meaningful relationship, guys, Sagittarius. So that may be the wonderful surprise here, guys. So maybe this person is indeed coming to visit you, gift you, and propose to you, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Judgment in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe again you have some kind of confusions, guys. So that confusion energy, it may be something related to your work. So you are having some illness or some kind of doubts that is affecting your work potential today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it is the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly all right in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright, you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation. But in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.